Welcome to Learning the Social Sciences. Today we're going to be showing you how to take a PDF and turn it into an interactive slide so you can post it to your Google Classroom. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is open your PDF and have it sized so that you can take a picture or an image or a snip of the entire document. So right now I'm just going to press new on my snipping tool, make sure I get the entire sheet on there, and then I'm going to save it. So there I go, Reformation, exit, slip. I got a typo in there, but that's okay. Save it. Then I'm going to jump on over to my Google Slides. First thing I need to do is I need to resize the slide. So you go down to page setup and you go into custom, apply at 8 and 11.5, apply. And then you can go on in and click background, choose image, browse, and then from there you can go into your pictures. I have my tech tips, grabbing the image, having that come in now as my background. I am done. I'm going to actually get rid of these other boxes and I'm going to create kind of my own. So yeah, right now all I have to do is make the text boxes that I want. So you go right there to the T in the box, and I could have it as one giant one, but I'm going to go and change it up into 3 different ones. Sometimes so that I know that the students know that there are 3 boxes for them to fill out, I will go in and I will put a little bit of shading or color on it so that it jumps out to them where they should go, oh, I should then go and make sure to click on that box and type something. So there you go. That now is ready. Once you title it, Reformation exit slips, you can then post it to your Google Classroom after you have all of the box, and the students will be able to type in their answers. If you have any more questions or comments, please leave them below, and always remember to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.